Volvo, the v70 was not working instrument, speedometer, and climat, total dead, nothing. And happens, as customers say, that first sometime this disappear. This is normal because instrument they have sickness, Volvo, but this one is suddenly dead and both is dead. After that I got another one from used one, changed, nothing. Got two instruments, nothing. It's total dead. Before that of course I have checked fuses. Fuse, this one is for this instrument. It's good, everything good. And after I try to search power supplies in instrument, I look and this one violet and white must have plus, and here in corner with brown must have minus, so here was no plus. Same in here. This violet and white have no plus. After some search I go down, and here is like fuse box, like relay plate, and this relay, this first one from up is number 3, this one. I have mixed with that, put in here, and instrument wake ups, it means relay is bad. So problem is not very often like relay broke, but in this case relay broke and everything stopped. Volvo V70 2002. Like and subscribe. Thank you.